Yeah, Team Edward did.
Oh crap. I can't believe we gave him one of our donuts.
Team Edward! I mean Jacob! Sorry.
Dude, why can't we just have peace? This is the most peaceful thing in the world.
Peace can't solve anything.
Get on, dude.
Get on, get on, get on!
Go on, shoot. It's in a mine. Peace doesn't solve anything, that's right. Woohoo! Wow.
Yeah, baby! Yeah!
Come on, dude. What? I know the best hiding spot. Get in.
Cool.
Duck down, duck down. Shh! They're coming! Oh crap! No! No! You wanna go suck some blood later?
Oh yeah, I'll beat you 5.
Alright.
Down by the train tracks.
Point for Team Edward! I mean Jacob!
Team Jacob! Yeah!
Guys, come on.
Everyone, come in. We're having a meeting. Get over there with your group. We've only got one life left. The spectator's right there. The chicken. He will be spectating us, making sure we fight fairly. You guys go to that garage and get your weapons and bikes. We're having an all-out bike war in the street. Good luck.
Chicken win! Oh crap! No! No!
He's dead! He's dead!
Get him out! Dead! No! Dude, stop!
It's not opening! It's not opening!
What?
Alright, we'll have to redo
No,
that.
we
Let's
don't.
watch that.